Yes. Naira. So you come up for there. See this man. Oga come out now. Voila. Roland. Let's go closer. Let's go closer. Let me see what is on the chat. Yes. The right conflict. When we were doing deals and trades, all is not ready to open.
that. You can drive through now.
Next thing you should come like this. Closer.
Welcome.
To be sure finish before the end of if yesterday no rain, we may finish it before the end of this week. But because the rain have a little friction on the wall, we will do our best to be sure the work be finished. The earthwork be finished before the end of this month. Straight at night.
Ground facilities, yes. That is better. See what line?
Well, you see that when at the international conference center, the work is going as expected. The only problem which we identified this afternoon has to do with the furniture that will be at the conference hall. And I was surprised to hear that there's a different contractor for that, which is unacceptable to us. That the job was given to Julius Berger entirely. I cannot have different qualities. If you cannot say the up is furnished by Julius Berger and down is furnished by another company, it's unacceptable to me. I've invited Julius Berger, I've invited the Deputy Secretary of LCD and the GMD who did that. And if anybody is found culpable, of course, I must have to apply the big stick. Nobody should be a sacred cow. Nobody can do something that you know is not in terms with what we have agreed. Now we're in this N15. I'm happy with what it is doing for the security reports. Even when they come here in the night, they are working. I believe by the grace of God, they are meeting up with for the second year anniversary of Mr. President. Quality job done. I'm sure those who are living within this neighborhood are happy of what they are seeing now. So I congratulate them and I assure them on our part we'll do all we can to be sure the job is completed on schedule.
Okay. With the concern you raised at the ICC, are you doubting the quality of work there or what?
No, what I've said, the quality of work generally is very fine. That is Julius Berger. How they removed the furnishing of the conference hall is what I do not know. And so that's why I summoned the acting ES and the GMD of African Investment Company, Abuja Investment Company, and to come and tell us who did that or whose approval. Because I approved and I know the amount of money. So when they say Abuja Investment is the one, who is going to pay for it? Who's going to pay for it? So I'm not going to accept that. And of course, you know, if anything shady went on, you will hear that I'll apply the big stick. Nobody will be a sacred cow.
But the main commission is still stands.
Of course, of course. Got no problem about that.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.